This page has only 576 followers and is gaining thousands of views by doing Amazon affiliate marketing on Instagram Reels with copy-paste work. Amazing! Check this another example. This page has 907k followers and is gaining thousands and millions of views on Instagram Reels by promoting affiliate products. This page also create a landing page for promoting a product on Instagram. For example, if this page promotes 500 product has commission $3, this page easily earns $1,500 with only one reel video. According to Backlinko, 4.54 billion active users visit Instagram daily, and 4.18 billion active mobile internet users visit Instagram daily. And according to the Small Business blog, more than 130 million people are using the Instagram app for shopping. And the Instagram Reels feature generates 67% more engagement than standard Instagram video, which means your reel video easily goes viral, and people buy your product because more than 130 million users are using Instagram for shopping. Hey friends, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video, I am going to show you how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on Instagram without investment through a step-by-step complete guide. You can also do all these steps from mobile. In this video, I will teach you how to create an Amazon affiliate account, how to create a landing page, how to create Instagram Reels with copy-paste method, and how to upload it to Instagram to earn a commission by step-by-step full guide. Please do not skip this video. Before watching this amazing video guys, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more money-making ideas on time. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, we need to create an Amazon affiliate account. Here Amazon itself has written that sign up, promote millions of products with your audience, and earn up to 10% associate commissions. On mobile, set this screen to a desktop site. To create an affiliate account on Amazon, click on the sign up button, enter your name, email, password or confirm your password, and click on create your Amazon account. Copy the OTP code from your email server, paste it here and click on create an account. Enter payee name means bank account holder name, home address, select country, city, province, and zip code, enter your mobile number, and click on next. Enter your website address. It's not compulsory to add the website, you can also Instagram page link, Facebook page, or YouTube channel, etc. Add the website address on Amazon, mark the NO option, and click on the next button. Enter store ID means store name. Tell us about the content you create on your website or social media profiles. Describe your content, enter the CAPTCHA code here, click on finish, and click on later. Now finally your affiliate account create on Amazon. After creating an affiliate account, you need to have a professional account on Instagram. Now we need to create a landing page. Go to google.com, search C8KE and click on this website c8ke.com. Click on sign up for free, enter email, password, or confirm your password, click on get code, copy this code from the promotion section, paste it here, and click on create an account. Go to C8KE page, and customize your landing according to your creativity. For example, go to the header section, add your logo, increase or decrease logo size, and add a bio on your profile. Show or hide social icons, text, or group links. Now copy this landing page link and go to the Instagram page setting. You can add a website link only with your Instagram mobile application. Now it's time to hunt cheap and smart gadgets to promote on Instagram Reels. I recommend you to hunt smart gadgets from Alibaba or AliExpress, then search Alibaba products on Amazon to get an affiliate link. For example, I hunt a WOW product from Alibaba. Now find this product on Amazon, search car backseat organizer, open this product in a new tab, copy this affiliate link and save it in Notepad. The problem is how to create a reel video to promote on Instagram and earn a commission. Solution is very simple. Go to alibaba.com or a mobile application. Search for your gadget, for example, a car backseat organizer, open 5 to 6 products in a new tab, and find those products which have a video. You can see this product has a video. Click on download with IDM. On mobile you can also use screen recorder, and download at least one product image to post on the landing page. Now it's time to create an engaging Instagram reel on Filmora. On mobile you can use CapCut or VN editing apps, select the aspect ratio to 9:16, and click on create a new project. Select the video downloaded from Alibaba and music for NCS YouTube channel, drag this video into the timeline, delete unwanted parts or adjust the video size, and increase video speed because your reel video duration is between 15 to 20 seconds. Drag this music into this timeline, mute the video sound, adjust the video or music. Now add text on this video, go to the title section, add default title style, double click on the title element, write engaging title smart gadget for car. Add call to action title link in bio, export this video in 30 frames per second. Watch this video after editing with Filmora. The final step before uploading the real video, firstly you need to post product details on your landing page. Go to the post section and click the image, select product images, write product captions, click on add price, for example $20. Click on the add link button, write title and an affiliate link here, click on share this post. You can see your post has been added to your landing page. Now open your Instagram app, click on add post, go to the Reels section, select your reel video and click on next, write a product caption or add at least 5 to 6 hashtags, for example hashtag gadgets, hashtag car accessories, etc. Click on share this reel. Finally your reel video is uploaded on Instagram. In a few hours, my reel video gained 100 views, amazing. Work on this Instagram reel strategy for at least 2 to 3 months, you already know reel videos easily go viral. If your reel video gains 50,000 views, only 1,000 people buy your product, multiply with a commission rate, for example $4, you can easily $4,000 with only one reel video. I hope guys you love this video. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video for more money making content ideas, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned.